Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 5820 Orchard Hill Court in Clifton, Virginia. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo that is for sale. And right off the bat, by the front door, there is storage. This is 831 square feet, but they really put an emphasis on storage as we head inside. To give you an idea for storage space, right by the front door, you have more storage, as well as your coat closet right over here. And let me just show you around a little bit. You have the dining room, living room area. And then you do have the pass through, so for the kitchen. Now it does come with one parking spot that is right by the condo. It's actually in this area. And yeah, here we are in the living room. For those who are wondering, water is included in the condo fee, but electricity is not. There is a community pool that you'll have access to, and there's also a community exercise room. And here we have your HVAC room, hot water heater. You have the system of the heat pump. You have ceramic tile for the kitchen floor. Stainless steel appliances. Another thing I do like about this too is just extra prep room. And you have this opening right here so you can get to the, people are at the dining room. So if you're entertaining guests, you have a little bit of a flow through here. And then back on the topic of storage, here we are in the bedroom. You will see that the closet space has been organized. Now, just to show you, these are customizable. So you can adjust the shelves any way you need. You could adjust the bars as well. Give you a little bit more of the view. I know, black socks today, and they'll leave fashion faux pas, but washer and dryer in unit, so you do not have to go anywhere to go do laundry. And I thought I left the light on for this, but I apologize. So the bathroom has been updated as well. So if you are interested, just reach out. We can set up a showing. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, just follow the link below. It'll take you directly to get more information. If you have an agent, have them reach out to us. We can set up a showing for you as well through that. And again, if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.